Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you have learnt your previous lesson and practice it at home. Now we are going to continue the same unit number 6, which is pronoun, and let's see what we are going to do today. So our next activity is ask and answer. Here we have pronoun, so it's mean there are some picture and you have to guess the pronoun for this picture. I'm going to point out towards the picture and you have to tell the pronoun. Okay.
It.
Very good. It is a rabbit.
We.
Yes, you have to look carefully towards the picture कि पिक्चर में हमें नज़र आ रहा है कि बॉयज़ किस तरफ पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं. यस, दोनों पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं, तो इसके लिए कौन सा प्रोनाउन आएगा?
We.
Very nice. We are friends. We are friends. Now look at the next one.
She.
Yes, she is the girl. She is a girl.
I.
वेरी नाइस. लुक एट द पिक्चर कि बॉय अपनी तरफ पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है, तो आई यूज करेंगे तो ये क्या होगा? आई एम अ बॉय.
He.
यस, यहाँ पे हमें एक मैन नजर आ रहा है, तो इट्स मीन ही इज अ मैन. वेरी गुड. So let's move to the next activity. You have to do practice, and you have to write and learn sentences also about these pictures. Now let's go to the next activity. Beta, this question is really important regarding your exams, test and paper. So you have to listen and practice this question properly. Now let's move to the next one. And next one is learn to write. As I've told you, next segment is learn to write, and what we are going to do in this, find and write. Here we have some words. First we are going to read them, and after that we are going, yes, here we have some masculine, feminine, and we are going to find them from these given boxes. So let's read it first. Mother, son, brother, boy, grandfather, girl, grandmother, sister, daughter, father. एंड डू यू रिमेंबर, हम लोगों ने जो स्टोरी पढ़ी थी लेट्स रीड में, उसमें ये सारे वर्ड्स पढ़े थे हमने. इसको एक बार फिर से पढ़ते हैं. यू हैव टू रिपीट आफ्टर मी. मदर, सन, ब्रदर, बॉय, ग्रैंडफादर, गर्ल, ग्रैंडमदर, सिस्टर, डॉटर, फादर. Now let's find out masculine, feminine from these words. Okay, so let's start it. First one is done for you. First one is father, and what will be feminine? Father.
Mother.
Very good. Father.
Mother.
Okay, now let's do the next one. Son.
Daughter.
Very good. Son.
Daughter.
Okay, now let's go to the next one. Brother.
Sister.
Brother.
Sister.
Brother.
Sister.
Okay, and now look at the next one. Boy.
Girl.
Girl. Boy.
Girl.
Boy.
Girl.
Very good. And last one is grandfather.
Grandmother.
Grandfather.
Grandmother.
Very good. And now you have to write these words on these given boxes, and you have to practice and learn them by heart. This question is also really important regarding your exam, so you have to practice it and learn it by heart. And one more thing, masculine and feminine is used as you have done in your Urdu also, muzakkar and muannas. The words which we use for मेल मेंबर उसको मस्कुलिन बोलते हैं, और जो फीमेल मेंबर के लिए यूज़ करते हैं उसको फेमिनिन बोलते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ लेट मी शो यू हाउ you are going to write your answers. Yes, here are some answers and you have to write them neatly on your book page number 37, and you have to learn them by heart. This question is really important regarding your exam, as I've told you before also. Now let's move to the next segment. And next activity is let's talk and asking about an absent student. Here we have Majid and Haris, but we are going to switch these roles with Sana and Hina. So let's start. Where is Hina?
Ma'am, she is absent.
Has she sent an application?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, give me her application.
Here it is, ma'am.
Thank you. Take the seat and open your book.
Yes, ma'am, we already have.
So you have to do this activity at home, and you may perform this activity by switching the roles also, and keep practicing. These are the dialogue you can use in your classroom when you will come to school. So you have to keep practicing and learning them. Now let's move to the next one. And here we have word bank, and we are going to look at the picture and take their names. Look at the first one is camel. Next one is parrot. Yes, camel. And next one is parrot. Parrot. And next one is cow. Yes, look at the picture and say it again. Cow. And next is duck. 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 Here we have crow. 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 And next is horse. 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 And next one is lion. Next one is loin. Loin. And last is sparrow. 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 So what you have to do, students, you have to read these words and you have to practice them, and you have to do their homework also on your copy, and don't forget to learn them by heart, because this question is also really important and it may come in your exams like this. You have to write any 8 names of animals. So if you have learned them by heart, so it will be easy for you to attempt this question. Now let me show you how you are going to do this homework on your neat notebook. Yes, you have to do your homework like this. See it carefully, and as I've told you, don't forget to draw margin lines, and then you have to write topic name, double underline it, और आप लोगों ने जहाँ लिखा होगा उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे से डबल अंडरलाइन करेंगे, दोनों डेट्स लिखेंगे, पेज नंबर लिखेंगे, and after that you have to write any 5 animals name, and don't forget to write your index as well. Now let's move to the last activity of this unit. Yes, this is student activity. It's your activity, and what you have to do, as I've told you, first of all you have to learn the word bank. If you have learned them by heart, so it will be really easy for you to attempt this activity, because you have to look and write. You will look at the picture and you have to write the names, and it will be very easy if you have learned them before. So you have to do it, and I'll check it in class. Now let's move to the next one. And last one is our revision time. It's mean we are going to revise a previous unit which we have learned, and that was about this, these and those. So let's start. Look at the first one. What is this?
This is a fan.
Very good. You have to look at the picture and you have to give the answer. What is this?
This is a fan.
Very nice. What are these?
These are grapes.
What are these?
These are grapes.
What are these?
These are grapes.
Very nice. And now look at the next one. What is that?
That is a torch.
Very good. What is that?
That is a torch.
Yes, because torch is far. So that's why. What is that?
That is a torch.
Now look at the next one. What are those?
Those are socks.
Very good. Socks are also far. तो उसके लिए भी क्या use करें? What are those?
Those are socks.
Very nice. What are those?
Those are socks.
Now let me show you how you are going to write it. Don't forget, your first letter should be capital, and at the end of the sentence there should be full stop. And when you are done with this page, so your answer will be like this. You have to write them neatly, and do your work properly. And this page number 39, is also really important regarding your exam. So you have to learn this lesson properly, because lesson number 6 is very important regarding your exam. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Keep working and keep learning. Allah Hafiz.